The question of, "My iPhone keeps freezing. What should I do?" is frequently asked by Apple users when they are using their iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11X's XER. There are several effective ways to resolve this iPhone keeps freezing error in this post. Just check it out. Method 1. Fix iPhone keeps freezing by force restart. Hold power and home buttons until screen turns black, then release. Hold power until Apple logo appears, then release. Wait for iPhone to restart and check for freezing issue. Method 2. Fix iPhone keeps freezing without losing data. Recommended if you are worried about data lost or data damage when you are trying to solve your frozen iPhone by force reboot. It is strongly recommended you a powerful third-party tool iOS system recovery to fix iPhone keeps freezing issue. Method 3. Uninstall certain apps that cause iPhone keeps freezing. Step 1. Go to the home screen and locate the app you want to delete. Step 2. Press and hold the app icon till an X symbol shows on the app icon. Step 3. Directly tap the X symbol to remove the app from your iPhone. Method 4. Resolve iPhone keeps freezing by restoring iPhone via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB and open iTunes. Click on the iPhone icon and choose Restore iPhone from the options. Confirm to erase all data and install the latest iOS version to fix the freezing issue. Method 5. Clean up iPhone memory to fix iPhone keeps freezing. If your iPhone internal memory is full, iPhone is easy to keep freezing. So you can try to clear up your iPhone junk files to save more storage space and fix iPhone keeps freezing issue. Method 6. Repair iPhone keeps freezing by updating iOS software. Go to Settings General Software Update to check for updates. If available, tap Download and Install to update iOS. After updating, check if the issue is resolved.